Have you ever stopped to imagine a world before computers? No laptops, no phones, no internet, just paper, typewriters, and human calculators. The first real computer wasn't a sleek device you could carry. It was a giant machine called ENIAC, built in 1946. It filled an entire room, weighed 30 tons, and used more electricity than an entire neighborhood block. And guess what? It could only solve one problem at a time. But ENIAC was not just metal and wires. It was a breakthrough in human thinking. It was built by people who believed that machines could help humans think faster. Before computers, thousands of people sat in rooms with pencils doing calculations for science and war. Then someone asked, what if a machine could calculate for us? That question birthed the first computer age. And while the West built the first machine, Africans are now shaping the future of computing, not just using tech, but building it. From Interswitch in Nigeria to Andila across Africa, young programmers are writing code that powers banking, education, health, and commerce. Things that ENIAC could never have imagined. Today, a modern smartphone is over 100,000 times faster than ENIAC. Your phone can stream movies, calculate, translate languages, run AI tools, store thousands of photos, all from your palm. Something that once needed a full building now fits in your pocket. But here is the lesson. Innovation grows. Technology evolves. What begins as too big, too expensive, or impossible eventually becomes normal because humans keep improving their own ideas. Tomorrow's world will look at today's computers the way we look at ENIAC, slow, outdated, and funny. Because the journey of innovation is a staircase, and we are still on the lower floors. A small idea today can become a global invention tomorrow, and someone listening right now could be the next mind to upgrade how the world works.